in Falmouth on the east coast of Tasmania, and this is Whale Song. Come and have a look inside. I have been wanting to stay here for so long. This is such a great shack right on the water here in Falmouth, and the owners had really great bones to work with when they bought it. It was built in the 80s, so it's got a lot of nice 80s touches that they've kept in, like the slate tiles here. But I just want to give you a look around first. Over here you've got your dining area, with just all of these windows looking out onto the ocean there, which is just stunning. And a little living room here with the wood heater. And what you'll notice as we go through the place is just all of the beautiful artworks and the carefully curated knickknacks that are around the place. Lots of beautiful dried flowers and shells and things that remind you of the sea. Down this way is one of the bedrooms. It's a 3-bedroom shack here at Whale Song, and all of the rooms have been beautifully styled, as you can see. Got really good quality linen bedding, gorgeous pillows, and like I mentioned, all of these dried flowers and artworks. And in the cupboard you'll even find yoga mats and a beautiful picnic blanket that you can use outside, and it's just all of those little extra touches that make somewhere really special. And of course we've got this gorgeous renovated kitchen which has bifold windows here, so you can open it out to the servery, sit out there on your bar stools and take in this incredible view. One of the things I really love about this kitchen is how well stocked it is, and there's no plastic to be found anywhere. You've got beautiful ceramic mugs and cups, platters, wooden platters, there's beautiful loose leaf teas, so you know, you can really hunker down and enjoy your time here. Through here you've got your lovely renovated bathroom, full bath in there with some bath crystals, your shampoo, conditioner. But the best thing is, if you stand in this shower, you can actually shower while looking at the ocean right there. Beside the obvious appeal of this lounge room with your picture window and the French doors leading out to the deck, you've got this epic open fireplace, and it just makes such a cozy vibe in here. But I feel like I would need at least a month here just to even make a dent in the collection of books that are hidden around the place. And if you can brave a dip in the ocean, there's a warm bath waiting for you. I think for me the best thing about Whale Song is just the privacy and the position. Once you pull up, you don't have to leave. You can enjoy the house, but also you've got a great fire pit here. Your outdoor bath is just up there, and you've got this incredible ocean right in front of you.